Students and professionals. So today we will cover employee food safety booklet, which is listed on ihmgurukul.com. So I, Shiraz Krade, a talent manager of IHM Gurukul, will help you to give you the brief overview of employee food safety booklet. So you can also check out this book link. We have also attached in the description box. So we have given the you can have the key highlights and which are the things that we'll be learning in the most at the foundation of food safety and your other safety measures as according to the policies that has been mentioned by your restaurant and as well as your hotel. So the first is understand food safety principles and regulations, prevent food contamination and illness in the workplace, learn proper food handling techniques. We have covered these 4 to 3 topics in more detail in the booklet, so you can have a brief about that. So starting with the first, that is Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. The first is hygienic food handling techniques, that is receiving food raw materials, storage of meats, veggies, etc., prepare food in hygienic places, thawing of fresh meat and other foodstuffs, all foods types of cooking, cooling the high temperature foods, Deva service, how you can give that properly to your guest, personal hygiene and maintenance, in which we have subtopics like personal hygiene of team members, sanitation, sanitization of hands, methods to clean hands, utmost cleanliness. The points are disinfection every single thing, clean utensils for daily uses, least use of pesticides to not overuse of pesticides, so that can harm more in the foods of the guest. So we have given a first introduction of how we are serving each other hospitality consultancies that we have already served, and then you can the book starts with the FSSI standards 2006 Act of India under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So we have started with the chemical described in monographs of Indian pharmacy and the insecticides which are and the antibiotic which are the certificate checks that FSSI wants in your certificate. So and here from the year the book starts that methods to maintain ultimate food hygiene, so you can have a detailed look on it. So we also have a kitchen hygiene video that is will be covered here, so that can help you to more to guide your team members and as well as your other new joining members to properly follow all the techniques that can maintain your food policies well. So if you are facing any payment issues while transacting this book on ihmgurukul.com website or ihmgurukul application, you can contact us. Or if you need any assistance in upgrading in your culinary career, if you are choosing any diploma or hotel management career, you can contact on the same number to get a student advisor connected with you. We have attached the number on the description box, and if you are having any other questions, you can comment down in the comment box and we will help you to clear it. Thank you.